at my home studio again, and wasn't able to get to the farm studio today. But I was thinking about the essence of farm school, which is that you learn by doing. And really, at the essence of that is being competent. And for some reason, my memory was jogged that there was a dude who decided to try and build a toaster. And I have a particular fondness for toasters for whatever reason. I have several toasters that I really adore that are just classic, like made in England. I have a Rollit. I have several other ones that are just they're gorgeous. And so this guy by himself attempted to build a toaster and I mean succeeded kind of. There's another guy actually. I'll put the links in the description below. There's another guy who went through this whole process of trying to make a sandwich, like make the bread and all of the other things to make the sandwich, and it took forever. But he finally did it, and I guess the result was like, meh, whatever. But the point is that it really takes all of us together to create these incredible, amazing things, like things that just you take for granted every day. The electricity's on, the gasoline is available. You can buy tires for your car. It's incredible. And what we want from the farm school program is for our students to be active participants in creating and sustaining the world as is and the world better, like version next, like whatever we can do to do that. And as is clear from the things that I'll post, as I said in the links below, you can't build your own toaster. You can't make your own sandwich, really. And then certainly, like, imagine this. You're trying to make a semiconductor fab to make microchips. Like, there's no way. If you had 2 million years, I don't think you can do it in 2 million years. Like it's just like it takes all of us. It takes all of us. So what we want in farm school is we want you to be a valuable contributor to all of us. Don't need to build your own toaster. Don't need to make your own sandwich, but do you the best you that you can be, and farm school is going to help you be that you. Talk to you next time.